What's up everybody, Kitten right here. So, the Huawei's P50 phones were supposed to be the first to run Harmony operating system out of the box, though it was never officially confirmed. Like the new flagships were originally scheduled for a March reveal, presumably going on sale a bit later. However, the latest information on the P50 series is that the announcement has been pushed back to May or most probably in June. And by the time P50 series arrives, Harmony operating system will have been around for a month or two. Yes, you heard it right though, because Huawei is not much delaying Harmony operating system as compared to the Huawei P50 series, because now Huawei has officially confirmed that its Harmony operating system will start to roll out from April 2021. Yes, this in-house operating system is intended to replace EMUI, which is based on Android on its mobile devices. And if you don't know, this process will start from Huawei Mate X2, which is company's latest phone. So yeah, the Huawei Mate X2 will now be the first Huawei phone to get Harmony operating system instead of the Huawei P50 series. And it's now officially confirmed. Well, the smartphone camera chart of DxOMark has a new camera king now. And this time around, it's not an Huawei phone though, but it's a brand new device from Xiaomi, and you guessed it right, it's the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. The smartphone is phenomenal in all categories, like it has one of the unique design and amazing cameras as well. That's why the Mi 11 Ultra beats the Huawei Mate 40 Pro across the board. It was awarded 148 points for stills, 100 points for zoom, and 117 points for video. For comparison, the Huawei phone got 144 points for stills, 98 points for zoom, and 115 points for video respectively. So the new camera king according to DxOMark is Xiaomi's Mi 11 Ultra. So yeah, what do you think about it? Well, let me know in the comments down below, and if you somehow like this video, a sub to the channel will definitely make my day. So as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.